If you've spent any time on social media or reading the news, you've probably seen endless debates. Who will win the election? Will the price go up? Will it rain tomorrow? But what if people could actually make money from predicting these events? Welcome to Blockboard, the channel where we make complex tech simple. Today, let's uncover how prediction markets work and what Polymarket really is. Prediction markets are platforms where people trade on the outcomes of real-world events. You're not buying stocks, you're buying probabilities. Simple examples. Will it rain tomorrow? Who will win the next election? Will a new product be released this year? If your prediction is right, you earn money. If you're wrong, you lose what you invested. Polymarket is one of the most popular prediction markets today. It runs on the Polygon blockchain and lets users buy and sell yes or no shares for future events. It works almost like a stock trading app, but instead of stocks, you're trading outcomes. Let's say there's a market asking, will it rain in New York tomorrow? If you believe yes, you buy yes shares. If you believe no, you buy no shares. The price shows the market's prediction. If yes costs 80 cents, the market thinks rain has an 80% chance. If no costs 20 cents, 20% chance. When the event resolves, yes becomes $1 if it happens. No becomes $1 if it doesn't happen. The losing side becomes worth $0. Your profit equals the difference between what you paid and $1. Anyone can create a market on Polymarket. If you want to ask, will this celebrity release a new album? Or will Bitcoin hit a new all-time high this year? You can create it and let others trade on it. How are results verified? Polymarket uses oracles, which automatically check trusted data sources. Example, elections, major news outlets, weather data APIs. If a result is unclear or disputed, the Oracle system can escalate it for manual verification, so markets always end with a clear yes or no result. For everything to run smoothly, Polymarket needs liquidity. This comes from two types of users. Makers. They place limit orders and supply liquidity. Think of them as vendors at a market. Takers. They buy at the available market price, like regular shoppers. Makers earn small rewards for helping the markets operate. Prediction markets are not regulated the same way in every country. For a long time, platforms like Polymarket were not available in the United States. The platform checks your location using your IP address. Always follow your local laws. And remember that predictions involve real financial risk. That's all for today's breakdown. If this helped you understand how blockchains really work, subscribe, and stay tuned for more crypto insights right here on Blockboard.